Welcome to the captivating world of vintage cars, where every vehicle tells a story, not just about engines and speed, but about freedom, passion, and history. Today, we're taking you on a thrilling journey through the top 5 vintage cars poised to skyrocket in value by 2025. Imagine owning one of these beauties today, watching its value rise faster than a classic rock star's comeback. Not just investments, these cars are rolling works of art, full of soul, nostalgia, and personality. But what makes these particular models stand out? Why are collectors and investors scrambling to get their hands on them? Stay tuned, because each car on this list carries a unique story that makes it more than just a machine. Trust me, you won't want to miss this ride. Let's hit the road. 1. The iconic 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback. Our journey begins with a true American icon, the 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback. This car isn't just metal and rubber, it's a symbol of freedom, rebellion, and the open road. With its muscular lines, roaring V8 engine, and unparalleled charm, the Mustang Fastback captured the hearts of generations. But why will its value soar by 2025? Well, 60 years of Mustang history makes this car highly desirable, especially as younger collectors seek out classic muscle cars. The Mustang's reputation as the car of the American dream has solidified its status as more than just transportation. It's a cultural icon. Imagine yourself behind the wheel, cruising down the highway, the wind in your hair, and the growl of the engine beneath you, a moment that feels like pure exhilaration. That's what makes the Mustang special, and that's why its value will only keep climbing. 2. The timeless Porsche 911, 1964 to 1989. Next up, we have the Porsche 911, a car with a design so timeless that it's barely changed in 50 years. Early models from 1964 to 1989 are especially in high demand, as collectors search for classic air-cooled engines. The magic of the 911 lies in more than just its engineering precision. It's about belonging to a global cult following. For many, the Porsche 911 is not just a car, it's a dream fulfilled. Enthusiasts grew up idolizing this sleek beast in magazines and films, and now they're chasing that nostalgia by buying what they couldn't afford back then. With interest in early Porsches skyrocketing, prices are expected to climb higher than ever in 2025. Owning a 911 is like joining an exclusive club, one that offers the thrill of the road and the satisfaction of a solid investment. 3. The elegant Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing, 1952 to 1963. Now, let's talk about something truly iconic. The Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing. With its unique gullwing doors and racing heritage, this car stands as a testament to innovation and luxury. Why is this car's value set to skyrocket? It's simple. Only 3,200 units were ever made, making it one of the rarest vintage cars on the market today. Collectors are willing to pay a premium for its combination of artistry and engineering excellence. Driving a 300 SL isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about experiencing a piece of history. As fewer models remain in pristine condition, prices are expected to rise sharply in 2025. Owning a 300 SL is like holding a piece of art on wheels. The classic Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, 1963 to 1967. Next on our list is the Chevrolet Corvette Stingray from 1963 to 1967. With its aggressive styling and powerful performance, the Stingray redefined what it meant to be an American sports car. But what's driving its value upward? Limited production numbers, combined with increasing demand from collectors, mean this Corvette is becoming a must-have. It's more than just a car. It's a symbol of American automotive culture. Whether you're racing down a drag strip or displaying it at a car show, the Stingray offers a thrill that never fades. It's a piece of history and a piece of the future, as its value keeps climbing with each passing year. 5. The rare Jaguar E-Type, 1961 to 1975. Finally, we have the Jaguar E-Type, often hailed as the most beautiful car ever made. This British masterpiece combines elegance, speed, and innovation, making it a collector's dream. So why will its price skyrocket by 2025? The E-Type's rarity and historical significance are driving its value. This isn't just a luxury car, it's a work of art that embodies the spirit of an era when cars were more than just machines. Owning an E-Type is like owning a piece of rolling history, a rare and precious gem that will only increase in value over time. And there you have it, the top 5 vintage cars poised to skyrocket in value by 2025. Each of these classics is more than just a vehicle. They represent dreams, history, and the thrill of the open road. Which one would you love to own? Share your thoughts.